Dear students, greetings of the day. Uh, Here is another interesting topic which we are going to discuss here, and it is spoken calculations. Have you ever been to any school, English medium school? Or do you have any school going child in your house, and he reciting the tables? 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Yes? And did you think ever that what is that 3 ones are 3? What is that za? Yes, it is very common, za. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. What is that za? And here is the explanation for what is that za. It is not a magician's spell or some code word. It is very simple, and this discussion on spoken calculations would be useful to the students of mathematics. Why mathematics? Any student must know these as a part of basic English. As you know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are the basic 4 things in mathematics. But when you come across the spoken calculations, you must be grammatically correct. And for example, we have taken here one from each: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, now say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. But in informal English, 2 and 2 is 4, or you can say 2 and 2 are 4, right? In formal English, 2 plus 2 equals 4, or 2 plus 2 is 4. This addition, this is simple. Subtraction, 4 from 7 is 3. 4 from 7 leaves 3. 4 from 7 leaves 3. And informal, 7 take away 4 is 3. 7 take away 4 leaves 3. These are the standard ways of spoken calculations in English. Or you can say formal way, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Then the third one here, multiplication, which is interesting. 3 fours are 12, and these fours are, listen, this are and the plural of 4 fours, these two together make this za. 3 4 za 12. When you in rhythm you listen a child reciting or saying the tables, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. And this 3 fours are 12 means 3 fours, F-O-U-R-S. 3 fours are, A-R-E, 3 fours are 12. But we never cared for this. Remember, from today onwards, this explanation for za. Za means 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 times 4 is 12. This is another way of saying the same thing. And in formal English, you can say 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Or you can say 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Okay? And the last one here, division. Three into 9 goes 3, or 3's into 9 goes 3 times. And in formal way, the same division can be spoken as 9 divided by 3 equals 3, or you can say 9 divided by 3 is 3. Remember, these smaller things will help you a lot in improving your English. Thank you very much.